Okay, today is 29th of October, and one thing which I wanted to share is that how much will I take stress, right? It's enough, bro. Now I can't take stress, not because I cannot sustain it, but because sustaining it reduces the progress and in turn my outcome and in turn induces more stress. So it's a self-vicious cycle, self-repeating cycle. You take stress, you underperform, you again get stressed, you again underperform, you again get stressed, you again underperform. That's how it goes. Leave it, bro. Whatever you can't control, you can't control. But let's say the probability of your winning is less. Probability of your winning is less. Or let's say it is very less. But during this time frame, what is the best which you can do? What is the best which you can do? Let's say you are very close to the process. The only thing which you can do is try to increase the probability and try to hustle. Increase your hustle factor, right? That is one thing which you can do. Yes, that is one thing which you can do. And that is the only thing which you can do. Or you leave the game. Don't do half-heartedly. Either leave the game or go all in. That's it. Even if it happens, it doesn't happen, that is leave to the God, right? Leave that as a God's plan. And one thing, let's say everything is a rating, right? There are some ratings attached to things. Let's say I'm not able to frame a perfect example right now. Let's say there is a bike which has a very good engine, right? 1000 cc engine. Let's take it as a rating of that bike. Let's say the chess ratings we can say of the players, right? Let's say Gukesh is a world champion, but still he gets defeated by some other players. Right now, I saw some young guy defeated him. He's a world champion. He has a specific rating, right? He has a specific rating. So that is established that he is a world champion. Sometimes he will perform, sometimes he may not perform, but due to consistent grind of so many years, he has attained that title of world champion. Right. So how does that rating is being calculated? I am assuming that due to your continuous grind, it's not due to any individual match, it's due to consistent grind, he has attained that rating. So I am thinking about myself that let's have it like a hustle factor, okay, hustle rating. So how does it get increased? When you perform under pressureful conditions, when the stakes are high and the probability is low, when you keep on performing under those conditions by keeping your mind calm, without going into self-doubt while you are working, you just maintain your mind in a state ki, okay, I am like performing to the best peak of mental performance even when the stakes are high, probability is low. Under that game, right, this is the replica. Let's say treat every game of your life as a miniature version of some grand thing which is about to come if it's not going well. So treat this as a training. Treat this as a training. I know it is important for you. Some event might be important. You cannot take it as a training, but if you don't take it as a training, you will get so much stressed and you will again underperform. Not taking stress does not mean that you are gonna slack off and you don't hustle, right? You don't wake up in the mornings, right? Today is raining, it's very happy to sleep, right? I do sleep. Like yesterday I slept at 9:39 and I woke up at 3:30 morning today, and I again slept, and then I again woke up at 6 and again I wanted to sleep, but okay, I thought it's too much. I 6 to 7:30 I studied. I decided to go from 3:30 to 6, and yeah, my excuse is that because my sleep was very disturbed, so I thought, okay, let's have a good sleep. That is my excuse. I'm admitting it. That is my excuse. But over the consistent period of time, I feel like these kind of excuses, my main aim to keep these kind of excuses numbers go really low and increase my hustle rating. Whether the thing happen or not happen, whatever for which I am striving for right now, but in a longer duration, this time I am trusting the God's plan. Keep the hustle in, bro. Daily you are like there's some bank in which you have to deposit money now. There's imaginary hustle bank in which you have to like submit hustle coins, and there's a leaderboard like boom 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 boom, right? You have to daily hustle up, hustle up, hustle up. You have unique tokens, let's say Ethereum, Bitcoin, there are so many, right? You don't know, sometimes Bitcoin inflates so much and there anything can happen, right? You are unique, you have your unique hustle coins. Just submit them, submit them, submit them. That's how you increase your luck factor by increasing the hustle coins, right? Someday, definitely trust the God's plan, right? If it doesn't happen, worst to worst case, like don't think in terms of that, but it will happen, right? It will happen for sure. I am experimenting that it will happen, bro. Like reading so much about how the success is achieved, and it's very intuitive also, right? There are 100 guys slacking off, doing, not doing, doing, not doing. You are just doing, right? You are not slacking off. Outcome come, outcome doesn't come. You analyze. If outcome is not happening, you analyze, you re-implement, you recalibrate, you again hustle, re-implement, recalibrate, again hustle. Why you won't get it? There's no reason, right? Why? There's a possibility you thought of succeeding at 10 things. You may not succeed at 6, but the 4 in which you succeed will compensate everything. But to happen that, you need to get the consistent grind, consistent grind, consistent grind. Be better, be better, be better at work, be better at work ethic, right? Suppose, not talking about job related work. I'm talking about the personal work which you decide for yourself. You decided to do something, you start doing it, and in the process you encounter some friction, and then you mentally switch yourself. You hustle with full deep focus, right? No distractions, nothing. You master the art of leaving distraction. You master the art of insane deep work ethic, no self-doubt during the process while you're working, and after some time you will realize you made it. And you have to make that process enjoyable. It's naturally not enjoyable. You have to think in that POV that it feels enjoyable. Naturally, intrinsically, it's not. That is the harsh truth. The truth is not harsh, it's just the truth, right? If I say it's harsh truth, I will again get bad feeling due to that. Okay, wait, I'm getting late, I have to do some work. Bye.